The 1912 Benz Tonnen Lastwagen stands as one of the earliest examples of heavy-duty commercial transport, reflecting the engineering brilliance of the early 20th century. Built during a time when motorized vehicles were just beginning to replace horse-drawn carts, this 3-ton truck was a mechanical marvel, designed specifically for transporting goods over long distances with increased reliability. Its black-painted exterior gives it a bold, classic presence, highlighting the craftsmanship and simplicity of its era. The wooden cargo bed is large and robust, capable of handling heavy payloads, while the solid metal frame supports durability and strength even by modern standards. Brass fittings on the lamps and cabin trim bring a vintage charm that contrasts beautifully with the deep black body, showcasing both elegance and utility. The truck is powered by a petrol engine that was considered advanced for its time. With a modest yet powerful motor, it could pull considerable weight while maintaining reasonable fuel efficiency, given the technological limitations of the era. The engine compartment is front-mounted, and the radiator grille is prominently placed, designed with vertical slats that add a mechanical ruggedness to its character. The crank start mechanism at the front was standard for its time, requiring manual effort to bring the engine to life. While it lacks the sophisticated electronics of today's trucks, the Benz Tonnen Lastwagen offered a reliable and innovative driving experience in 1912, essential for businesses and military supply chains alike. The cabin of the vehicle is open air with minimal protection from the elements, a common design in early commercial trucks. The driver's area includes a basic bench seat, a wooden steering wheel, and mechanical levers and pedals to operate gears and brakes. There were no speedometers or digital displays, just raw, mechanical function that required skill and strength to operate. The suspension relied heavily on leaf springs, giving it a stiff ride, yet this was sufficient for the relatively low speeds and tough road conditions it faced. The wheels are large, wooden-spoked, and iron-rimmed, built to endure rugged terrains without compromising on stability. One of the most impressive aspects of the Benz Tonnen Lastwagen is its historical significance. It represents the transition from animal-drawn wagons to fully motorized cargo transport, helping to lay the foundation for the modern logistics industry. Vehicles like this were used in various roles, from factory deliveries to supporting military logistics during wartime. Seeing one today in full restoration, glossy black paint, polished brass components, and hand-restored wooden panels, is a window into a time when innovation meant reliability and strength above all. Despite its simple technology, the Benz truck was engineered with a clear purpose, and it fulfilled that role admirably. It holds a place of pride in automotive history, reminding us how far we've come while honoring where we started.